Hello, my name is Mike from Tribeca Beverage. I'm one of the owners of Tribeca Beverage, and today I want to go over setting up your cooler. Now, it may look simple, but there are a couple steps that you need to take in order for the cooler to be set up the correct way. The first step in setting up your cooler is doing a visual inspection of the exterior cooler, making sure your power cord is intact, and making sure the front nozzles are tight. Before plugging your cooler in, you want to put the bottle on top of the cooler and let the water drain into the cooler to fill the hot tank and the cold tank. Make sure that the top of the bottle has a seal on it and that it hasn't been tampered with. Remove the seal and place the bottle on top of the cooler. While placing your bottle on top of the cooler, this stem will puncture the cap and allow water to drain into the reservoir of the cooler. The water inside of the bottle will begin to bubble, indicating that it is filling up the hot and cold reservoirs. After the water has stopped bubbling inside of the bottle, we are going to dispense water out of the cold side of the cooler. The cold side of the cooler is the one with the blue tab. Okay, water is now coming out of the cooler. Okay. To dispense the hot water on the cooler, you want to gently lift up the tab, squeeze in, and push down. And now you can confirm that the water is coming out of the hot side of the cooler. After you have confirmed water is coming out of the hot and cold side of the cooler, it is now time to plug in the cooler. The circle pressed down on the red switch means that the hot tank is off. The line pressed down on the red switch means the hot tank is on. Below the red switch on the back side of the cooler, you can locate a slotted screw. This screw controls the temperature of your cold water only. Turning the screw clockwise will make your cold water colder. Turning it counterclockwise will make your water more towards room temperature.